ऐसा क्या बुरी थी आपके पकड़ने में जो मेरे पकड़ने में नहीं?
Welcome Sir George Hoover, who was the first Governor General of United Provinces of Nepal, which later became Uttar Pradesh or UP, or earlier it used to be United Provinces. So for his bedroom, this is constructed in the pendulum of one metal, and it is, if you can guess how long or tall it is, it guesses the pendulum of the clock tower. Ma'am, one picture, one group picture. Workers. The iron gate, but that was the initial. But around the same time. Yeah, 18. Absolutely. They've just renovated it, but 18th century.
बाकी आपके सातवां जुगा है अलग कोई की वो बना है।
वो क्या है वो लाल वाला?
That is the substandard I'm talking about.
ये वाला
Okay, the other red building that you see, that is the picture gallery. Tomorrow we'll go inside. It has beautiful life-size pictures of the Nawabs. Nobody still can estimate the cost of those paintings. They are studded with real jewels, real stones and everything. Real crushed gold used for paint.
Is that an old building or a new?
That's a picture gallery. You can see only the, not exactly art. Yes, it is art obviously, but only the life.
15-16 का ये मैं 15 वाला का 15 का क्या होता है अदम जुगा लेता
झंडा बोल ये वाला
ये किनारे किनारे
अरे तालाब के टॉप में नहीं
there's a pond, no?
तालाब की वस्तु
They have drained away all the water from the pond recently to clean it up, but it would be filled up again, hopefully. Otherwise, you can see the water was still here, where the algae and everything is there. And the fountains and I mean, I hope like, in the coming months we do it again because the lighting and the blue and white, it used to be beautiful. When it was started, man, I came and I was totally enamored. It didn't look like how it used to be earlier.
We can use it as a stage also to host some shows and all, and people can sit around it.
Yeah, absolutely. All these kinare, what you see, used to be the changing rooms. People wanted to go. All the changing.
ये तालाब पहले से ही था कि वो पार्ट ऑफ द गोमती एंड
Must be
this was reclaimed.
Must be some channels of the Gondi water maybe. But it is a horse. It is a horse only where people पानी हो सकता है वहाँ से गोमती के पास है तो अंडरग्राउंड आता हो. Okay, so attention. We have Rumi Darwaza over there. So there is a thing called Jawab. So Jawab means another monument which is made to give symmetry to the other monument. So if Rumi Darwaza is the main gateway, then to maintain the symmetry you constructed another Darwaza. It's not exactly Rumi Darwaza, but just to give symmetry to it. The same thing you will go to Taj Mahal, you will see that. So that is a Jawab, just to maintain the symmetrical.
अंदर में वो कुछ है नहीं.
Just staircases of the galleries of corridors. And you can notice the Indo-European architecture in the architecture. See the triangle? Beautiful European
It's safe.